Hey Google, set the lights to 100%. My feet are freezing. Yo, why is my terminal blinking? You guys see this shit?
Dude, isn't gonna be a freaking Caesar. It's not brink like on my computer. Like the terminal looks fine. Oh my god. Alright, never mind. Never mind. don't think it's going anywhere. Let me just get all this shit out of the way. Man, I really wish it would have played with that fucking asshole. Oh, it doesn't look like it's playing now, does it? Alright. I think we good. Alright, it looks pretty good. Oh, this is lagging like a fucking motherfucker right now. Which should not be happening because I am connected to it over LAN. Alright. I've done that. Oh, now it's going a lot faster. Oh wait, no, it's not. Man, I fucking broke something. I wonder what I broke. It's not, is it being, like... Is it consistent like the computer's not being slow? Oh, now it's being fast. Now it's being slow again. God damn it. Probably there's enough file, right? I'm just putting this thing in there, so like, I know what this is. I'm gonna be sourcing it off of this thing. Oh, now it's not lagging anymore. Oh, hey, XRHZ1. What's up, man? How's it going? So that's a really good question. It's something that I've got asked a bunch of times, and the answer is I would really like to put it on GitHub. All the stuff that I do is on GitHub, but I actually don't know how to put this on GitHub. Like, Because like it's the music is too loud. Oh man. All right. So what I was saying is that I would really like to put this on GitHub. Like all the work that I do, I love doing open source stuff. Pretty much everything I do is on GitHub. So I would like, but I actually don't know how to put this on GitHub. You know, because it's like, because this is an entire operating system. You know, so it's like I don't really know what to do. You know, I mean, do I just go here and just git like init in here? I don't have git installed yet, but I mean like, and then I just have the entire OS, but that doesn't really seem to make sense because that would be like a lot of stuff to manage. So, yeah, I want to put it on GitHub. I'm just not sure how. Like, I did though. Like, what I could upload though is that I did make like I did make like a copy of the like I just DD'd like the whole file system, so I could like distribute that, but I wouldn't quite know how to distribute the yeah, but I wouldn't know how to like make a Git repo out of it. Oh, that's a really good question. So I actually started this whole project. I've been working on this for easily over 120 hours now. I've spent so many months on this. So I started this project with nothing but a blank SD card. That's it, just a blank SD card. And from that, I went and I made, you know, an assembler and then some linkers and stuff like that. Then I made a C compiler, et cetera, et cetera. And then building up to the point where I could have, you know, something like Bash and then getting networking. Networking was awful. That took forever. But eventually I got networking working and things like SSH, which is what you're seeing here. Like this is, so the actual like project itself is actually on like a Raspberry Pi, and it's so it's actually, it lives right over here. Oh gosh, I can't actually show you that because my room is so messy right now, but actually like what you're seeing is running on this Raspberry Pi right here. So yeah, I got like SSH and all this stuff. So when I say like from scratch, it's really, really from scratch. So what I want to do now, let me switch this back to so what this is now is that, you know, I'm running this on my Mac, but I'm SSH into this. So I wouldn't quite know how to do like version control with it. But if people are interested and they own a Raspberry Pi, then I could distribute like something for that. Let's see. So what, and this operating system, this doesn't have any sort of graphical anything on it right now, so it doesn't have, you know, no mouse support, no, you know, images, things like that. So no window manager. So what I'm trying to do now is that I'm trying to start going through that process. On GitHub? Oh yeah, for sure. We'll do it. Thanks. Thank you for stopping by. Oh, thank you so much for the follow, dude. That means a lot to me. Thank you. Oh my gosh, it's lag. There's something happening here. Because I'm connected over LAN. Like I'm connected over LAN and it doesn't look like anything crazy is going on, but yet it's like my SSH is so laggy. You know what I could do? Alright, you know what? We're actually changing this. We're gonna try to get T-Mux first before we do this. That's not what I'm looking for. Let's Google T-Mux GitHub. Alright. No, I don't think I have any sort of zipping stuff. No, I don't. Ugh, it's freezing all the time. Alright, I'm gonna be a bad streamer for a minute. Bad streamer, I apologize for this. Alright, I'm just gonna get this. Then SCPR. This is a plot twist I did not expect. What? I mean, it's alright. Super plot twist. It's not the SSH connection that was slow, it's my terminal. Which is kind of weird. Um. Oh, wait, that's me. And what if I were trying to do this with screen? Let's install LibVet. One point 11. What are you trying to get me to install? Oh, alright. What options we got? Alright, we got the prefixes. A lot of things I don't know, so I'm going to ignore. Fucking disable static. Actually, what was that thing about LB? Yeah, we can assume GNU LB, right? Is that how it's spelled? Do I really want to get this thing? Yeah, it has C-Link, which is good. There's a lot of shit. Okay, we got some warnings. Warnings always makes things a bit more exciting. Alright. So what I'm trying to do right now, I should explain, is that I'm trying to install this thing called libevent. And what libevent is that it's an event notification library. So it's an asynchronous software that gives a so libevent is an API, it's a library. So it lets programs execute a callback function when a specific event occurs on a certain file descriptor or after a timeout has been reached. Or so like a file descriptor. I'm sorry, when an event occurs on a file descriptor, a timeout has been reached or signals. Hey Jay, what's up? How's my OS coming? It's coming pretty good, thank you. Right now I'm trying to get Tmux working, and it's going okay so far. And then afterwards, I'm gonna try to start, to get like an actual GUI. So I'm gonna try to install like an X server kind of thing. All right, let's do some tests. What's going on here? This isn't giving me a good feeling that it's taken a while, right? Alright, this is taking a really long time. I'm starting to think this isn't not going to work. I got a very bad feeling about this. Unable to parse a name server address. Is that because it's IPv6? Is that the problem? Is this an IPv6 thing? Is this a... Let's see this. So probably... It's probably an IPv6 thing. You know what? I like it. I trust it. Okay. So this installs a program. So what libevent does that it installs a program called event rpcgen.py. So we can look at that probably here, somewhere in here. Maybe event 2. I don't know why it's called event 2. Does anybody see a py file? No, these just look like the header files. Yeah. So then it could be in okay, I actually don't know where to put it. Well, actually, I put the prefix to be /user, so I mean, should be. Ugh, I feel like I scroll through these fucking log files. Where'd you put it? And /user/bin. Gotcha. Alright, but anyway, so if we look at so let's try to see how this works. Oh, this is a fucking big ass file. It's interesting that this is written in I'm interested that this is written, in Python. I can't think right now. What's also weird is that my Vim settings are kind of fucked up. Like when I press L, this is as far down as it goes. Isn't that like scroll off or something? So what's the default? Did it set it to like 4 or something? 5. I don't even think I have a vimrc. I do have a vimrc. That's not a sensible thing, is it? Yeah. Wait. Why is this a problem? Oh, if it's not, I'm sorry. Set insert. Well, this isn't nvim. If I'm not using fish shell because I'm not a maniac. Yeah. Sorry. I put this at the beginning anyways. I mean, I could make this like the definite first, so then I wouldn't have to worry about that interfering with anything. Sorry, that's going way off topic. That was really weird. Alright, now it's just one. Alright, anyways, sorry about that. Got super distracted there. And then we also installed some libraries, so libevent core, libevent extra, libevent OpenSSL, pthreads, and then just the libevent total thing in general. So now if I go so this should work. I think just the way it is. Let's see what we're dealing with. And should I put in /user/local or just /user? That's a good question. Okay. The bin directory, local static there. I don't want any of that static shit. System types build. Okay. Actually, let me see what other. Like, was there like an info section? So there's also the Mandir. Alright. Alright. Do I need any of these like C flags things? Actually, is the lib event bundled? Okay, I don't think that's pre-installed. Yeah, I'm ready. Um, I probably should have done that. Oh no, I already did that. Oh god damn it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Man, where did I install that shit? How did it do that so fast? Anyways. I didn't even install it yet. Ugh, duh. Or did I? Well, let's find out. Lit. As the kids say. So that may be a problem. Let me look at how does it work on my system. It's like aggressive song. There it is. Where did you even put the, like, hang on. Tmux. Default. Fix.com. They don't see any, like, slash Etsy, right? I mean, like, slash Etsy. Like, we have input RC, we have a bunch of RCs. Oh, that's how that works. Status. Well, if I now do some professional streamer moves. This is a good time as any to plug my plug this. Now let's take a look at my Team X conf and see what we want to steal. Again, this is designed to just be super minimal, so yeah, I'm actually definitely doing that. Sorry. Here we go. Alright, so let's see. I'll probably have to recompile this once I get like X working. So I can get like that mouse support. I mean, I wouldn't really use it, but that seems kind of redundant, doesn't it? Sorry about that. Okay. Yeah, that's definitely what I want. Oh my gosh. Alright, sorry about that. Okay. Does that do anything? Ah. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, whatever. There we go. 32-bit or 64-bit? Great question. When I first did it, it was 32-bit because that's what a lot of the instructions were for, and the Raspberry Pi 4 that I'm running this on is by default in it has a 64-bit processor, but it turns off a lot of stuff, and it's in like a 32-bit backwards compatibility mode by default. So I did that at first, and now I've been slowly moving stuff over to be 64-bit. So if you actually look at like the libraries that I have, so you can see, or like, well, it's kind of hard to see from there, but like, sorry. So like slash here, so you can see that some of it is 32-bit and some of it is 64-bit. So the V7 stuff are 32-bit and the V8 is 64-bit. So I've been getting some 64-bit libraries. Oh, yes. Okay. I'm super glad you asked that because I should clear that up. So I actually, this is not on Mac OS. I'm not like cross compiling or anything like that. At first, when I started this project, I did some cross compiling, but this is actually all on a Raspberry Pi. Let's see. So it's on this Raspberry Pi, and my room is. I've been like, I had the flu for the last like 3 weeks, so my room is disgusting. So if I can run it really quickly, so there it is. So it's all running on there. I'm SSHing into it right now because I started with nothing but a blank SD card, and then I made like an assembler and like a linker and then a C compiler and all this stuff, and eventually I was able to get like Bash, and then I was able to get, like a kernel and then networking, all of this stuff, like networking took forever, and then SSH. So I'm SSH'd into it because I am not able to get OBS to work on it. So OBS on my operating system, that would be in a long, long time from now. So for now, what I'm doing is that I'm just SSHing into it and then stream. So I'm SSHing into it. So this is SSH. I'm not compiling things on this anymore. Well, now I have TMUX. That's cool. So now let's try to get X back working. So to do that, I'm gonna go to. Oh my gosh, I cannot type. Disable static. What the fuck is that about? Whatever. Disable all that fucking static bullshit. Oh, I was about to change the playlist, and then my girl came on. So we're not doing that now. Sorry to everybody in the chat complaining about that. All right. I understand. Jesus Christ. Might be. Alright, so now let's get some of the util macros. So the util macros package contains all the M4 macros used by all the Xorg packages. So let's get that. So again, let's go get these fucking macros. How do I decompress .bz2? Oh man. I honestly don't know. J, lowercase j. What the motherfucker? I literally... Alright, sorry. I don't think I'll need to change much for this. So yeah, I think I'll just need those configs that I used before. Unrecognized. What? Sorry, I was a bit emotional there for a second. Whoa. Really? Whatever. So this just installed some directories. Not a big deal. Oh gosh, this is gonna take a fucking forever. Okay, X org. Who uses BZ2? For real. Oh, Jesus. I have Mason, right? Alright, let's do some ninja shit. Alright, boy, do I love this. So what that last command does, that the Mason build system does not install the text files into /user/share/doc. So what this with this like matcher thing here, is that this prevents copying the Mason config file. Oh, Miliardo, what's up, man? How's it going? Have you started your new job yet? Yo, for the hundreds of people in the chat wondering, Miliardo is this man's this genius guy. Not until after the new year. Cool. I should be setting for finals right now, but instead I'm doing this for some reason. All right, let's Alright, so now it's trying to get libxau. So the libxau package contains, let me explain this after I do this. So what this package does is that it contains a library implementing the X11 authorization protocol, and this is useful for restricting client access to the display. It's also a build dependency for X11, so we're gonna need it. I don't really, I'm not really super worried about that, but it's gonna complain if we don't. What extension is this? BZ2? Who uses BZ2? Seriously, I've never really seen that before. Alright, so ah, fuck, wait, cancel. I think I know it. Yeah, just the basics. I want to make sure that there's not something extra that I want. Yeah. No package X org proto found. Motherfucker. What the fuck? Alright, so you just saw me install it, but now if I try to... I feel like you're gonna fucking complain about not being able to find the Xorg proto, which I just installed. Well, I wouldn't find that anyways. I mean, that's just a library. Where did it install specifically? Oh gosh. Oh no, it's not even looking in the right spot. Alright, I'm gonna do this the lame way. What the? Oh. Okay, well, I also installed it too. Alright. Installing 2/. It's putting all the, yeah, see, look, it's putting all the package configs in the right place. It's looking in all the regular places. I mean, I mean, it's putting them in where you would think to put them. Where's my configured class at? Does the following... I mean, I know you're not supposed to put slashes at the end of that. I did that accidentally, but does that matter? Hope it fucking doesn't matter. Wait, I didn't put it there. Oh, I probably put in, Alright, let's try that again. Hopefully that fixes it. I don't think it will, though, because I don't think the following slash matters. Oh, god damn it. Bunzit was popular for a short while when LZMA was still covered by patent. Okay. See, how do you know this stuff? How old are you, if you don't mind me asking? I might have asked you this before. Source. Alright. You know what? That's not old, though. I was expecting, like... I mean, Xorg is old. How long has X been around for? Been around for a fucking minute. Alright. Yeah, I'm just gonna reinstall fucking everything. Alright, let's get these util macros back. Again, I can't imagine this actually making a difference, but... Let's make sure this is fixed. To you, Mitch, when there's still a bunch of old school original BSD professors still around. Yeah, but if you're 30 years old, then you went to university, like what? Like you probably graduated like 10 years ago. That's like, what? That's like late 2000s. That's not a big deal. You're not old. We're still getting hired by fancy up and coming new, company, so that's cool. Anyways, what was I out to get the Xorg protocol? Oh, I'm just gonna delete it just so, like, because the slash doesn't matter, right? Like, I don't know why I'm doing all of this over again. I feel like this isn't going to make a difference. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. So why Linux from scratch and why not compile Pacman first? Well, I love Linux and Unix in general. I've been using it for a really long time now, and it's like, and what I love so much about Linux is how how customizable it is from your whatever it is, from your Bash RC to your desktop environment to your compiler, whatever. It's all under your control. So I wanted to do something like Linux from scratch for a long time because it's like, and I just had a good excuse this semester because I was taking an operating systems class, but this has taken me forever. It's been well over 120 hours so far that I've spent on this, and it's crazy. And then why not compile Pacman first? Yeah, well, that would sort of defeat the whole purpose. Impeachment articles. Uh-oh, I don't know what that means. Sounds bad, though. Alright, let's do this. They're using unikernels like rumprun and OVS these days for ultimate customizability. I don't even know what those are. I'm actually just using the Raspbian kernel because a lot of things like GPIO headers and things like that would be really hard to work if I like just got like a kernel.org kernel or something. Anyways, I'm gonna. So unikernels are kernels that are stripped down to run a single application. Okay, that's really weird. So why would well, I guess for the reason that you said, it's very minimal. So you start with something like Linux, you install your app or server to it, and you use one of the unikernel kits. Oh, I see. Oh, that's really weird. Yeah, I get what you're saying. That's really weird. Yeah, well, that makes me think, when you talk about that, that makes me think of like Docker or something. So it's like, why not use like Docker containers or something if that's what you're trying to do? Are you trying to like run it like natively or something? Like, that's kind of weird. Yeah, Docker to the extreme. Extreme. Alright, watch this still not work, and then I'm just gonna go to sleep or something. Kubernetes more specifically is what they're often to do the actual deployment. Okay. Oh yeah, I should probably switch the input because right now I'm just Googling. Where did the PKG config stuff even get put? Oh, here it is. Exporter.pc. Where is that? Oh, I fucking lost it. So I guess I could try this. /etc/pkg config. Oh, fucking sick. Am I allowed to post on? Do I have an account? How do I post reply? Actually, I think it's something different on this site, right? For code. I think it's like some HTML tag shit. Yeah. Dude, that looks so ugly. Well, whatever. Alright. People still use text? I don't know. Well, oh wait, are you talking about in like README files? I don't know, but in science, text is used like all the time. Like I do physics, and LaTeX is the way to go. I mean, it's way better than Markdown for. Yeah, LaTeX is definitely used for like mathematics and physics. So we just installed the libzao shared library, and that's the library of the X authority database routines. Now let's get some libx. Actually, yeah. So now let's get libxdmcp. So what the libxdmcp package does is that it contains a library implementing the X Display Manager control protocol. And this is useful for allowing clients to interact with the X Display Manager. Oh, sorry. I really like LaTeX. Okay. I noticed an error in the book that I'm gonna try to fix. But for some reason, it's not on Git. You have to use like a mailing list for some reason. What section is this? libxdmcp 24 libxdmcp. Oh no, the fonts, whatever. Okay. So next up is the XCB Proto. This package provides just protocol descriptions. That's going to be used to generate a lot of code and API for the libxcb. That was easy. All right, so last up for this sort of part is the libxcb libraries. So the libxcb package provides an interface to the X Windows System protocol, and it replaces replaces the current like xlib interface. But xlib can also use XCB as a transport layer, so software can make requests and receive responses with both. So we don't want any of the pthread stuff, so we're actually going to remove that. Okay. Oh, yeah. Forget the doc stuff. I should probably name the new LD thing, but we'll probably figure it out. Lib XCB. Oh, whoa. No package XCB proto found. How do you unset an environment variable? I thought it was unset. I might be thinking of Vim though. It is unset. Okay, no package found. So I guess I can just export config path. But then what if it misses other things? Yup. I honestly don't know what to do, but I can be like a real piece of shit. Like, what was it before? Okay. This is what I'm gonna do. This is what we call being a piece of shit. Okay. What did I call it? Okay. It's like the whole directory. Yeah. You mean the whole directory or the contents of the directory? I'm assuming this is what you mean. Thanks, Millardo. Right. What? How did I map that? Slash, that is what I did. Look at this. I can't make a vertical split. What's going on here? Bind. Right. Oh, wrong slash. Haha. Classic. I think I'd rather have it be like that. I actually don't know if I can do that with that. I think it's like just, you can do SL. I know key split window. Yeah, okay, I can't do that. Maybe I could do backslash, backslash. You know what? No. I'll just keep it forward slash. But it's still... Oh, there we go. And just like that, it's already over, so it doesn't even matter. Uh-oh. What is that about? Alright, so now it should be time to install the Xorg libraries. And these libraries provide library routines that are used within all X window applications. Unfortunately, it's probably going to take a really long time. And I don't know if I want to do that. Ugh. Oh my gosh. This is going to take forever. Yeah, I don't have any finals tomorrow. And I definitely want to do something tonight so I don't be super emo later. Oh, but I'm so bored. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go play Halo. Alright. Thanks everybody for stopping by the stream. Liardo, as always, you are a literal legend. Seriously, like a legend. Who should we raid? Alright. How do you get categories? Alright. Let's raid Stranger. And as always, a follow would be pretty cool. All right, see you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. It really means a lot.